Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your data and removing barriers. Back up your files to an external drive or cloud and verify the copy. Once done, plug in the device or reach at least 50% battery to avoid interruption. Make sure you sign out of accounts and disable screen locks or Find My Device features because those will block the reset. Finally, note the exact model and OS version so you can reinstall compatible firmware or software later. You now perform the reset itself. Open Settings and follow System to reset and Factory Data Reset, or power off and use the hardware key combo if the OS won't boot. When prompted, choose options to erase all data and remove accounts. Include external storage if you want a complete wipe. Confirm the action. This is irreversible. Then watch the device go through one or more reboots. Timing varies with storage size, so be patient until it reaches the initial setup screen. You finish by completing the initial setup and restoring only the backups you trust. This minimizes reintroducing problems. Make sure to reinstall apps selectively and re-enable security features. If an activation or lock screen appears, use the original account credentials or contact vendor support to remove the lock. This is a common snag. If the device fails to boot after reset, try recovery mode wipe or reflash official firmware, and if that fails, reach out to manufacturer support for guided repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.